Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Mario from Super Mario. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with Mario's nose. So we're going to draw a nice round nose, sort of an oval shape, not perfectly round. And then again, from the nose, we're going to do the bottom of the eye, both sides. And then we're going to make a nice round curve on top for the eye. And we'll do the same, of course, for the other side as well. Pupils and light reflections. And then the irises, and then we'll fill the pupils in. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw Mario's mustache. I'm going to draw a curvy line up, and then on this side I'll do the same thing, the curvy line. And then in the middle we're going to draw, or just below the nose, we're going to draw the mustache, the bottom part of the mustache. And I'll do the same on this side. Then right below that we're going to draw a smile. We're going to draw the lip. And now on the sides, I'm going to start here on the side, I'm going to draw the cheek, and I'm going to go down to the chin, go all the way up to the cheek, and there we go. And since we've done this, we're going to draw the sideburns. So I'm going to draw the sideburns here on the side, and then I'm going to make a shorter line. I'm just going to make the line a bit shorter than the other side. And we're going to do the same on this side as well. And now that we have the sideburns, we can draw the ears. And of course the inside part of the ear, and on this side I'll do the same. Now we're going to jump to the hat, or to the cap. I'm going to start here and I'll just draw an upwards curve and connect it back to the ear. And then we're going to start here and we're going to take this curve a bit wider and take it back to the ear. And lastly we're going to make another curve, and you're going to take it up a bit wider and bring it back to the ear. 3 curves. And then on top we're going to draw a circle. So you're going to start here, you're going to draw a circle, and the circle will be just behind the cap. And then inside the circle we're going to draw the M for Mario. So I'm going to start off small and I'm going to draw an M, a very small M. And then you're going to bring 2 lines out and you're going to draw a bigger M. And now we can do the top of the hat. Now I'm going to start on this side, and I'm just going to take it all the way around. And now we're going to start with the body. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw 2 buttons. So what I'll do is, I'm going to draw a big button here on this side, and roughly about the same, I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. And then from the buttons, you're going to draw a strap. And you're going to connect it to this side of the button. And on this side you're going to do the same thing. You're going to draw the strap and you're going to connect it to the button, and then on the other side you're just going to draw these 2 straps down, and then right between you can make a little curve. Now we're going to start with the body. Now right below that, so what I usually do, I measure the head and I go down and I will make roughly a mark here. That's where my feet will be. Now about halfway in between, I'm going to draw a little curve, and that's the other side, underside of Mario's belly. From here I'm just going to draw a hook, and on this side you're going to draw a hook as well. Now what you'll do is you make a nice curve and you go and you stop and you come towards this curve, and on this side I'm going to start here and I'm just going to go back and connect it there. And now that we have that, we can go and we can draw the arms. I'm going to draw a short curve out, and on this side I'm going to draw another short curve out. And then from the cheek you're going to bring a line out both sides. And now we're going to draw the gloves. Now what I'll do is I'll draw sort of this sausage shape, which is the top of his glove, and this side as well. And now from this shape we're going to draw the hands. Now what I'll do is I'll do a little hook on both sides, just there in between. And now from this hook, I'm going to draw a front finger. And I'll draw another finger and I'll draw it and I'll connect it back. And then from here, you'll draw the thumb. Let's do the same thing for this side as well. We're just going to draw a hook and you're going to make it nice and round and connect it. And on this side, you're going to draw the thumb, and there we have the hands. Now we're going to draw the rest of Mario. I'm going to draw a line down both sides for the inside of the leg. And on the outside, I'm going to draw another line and I'm going to make it shorter. And I'll do the same on this side as well. Now with the shorter line, you're sort of going to make the bottom of his pants. And on this side, I'm going to do the same. And now we can go down to the shoes. I'm going to make the heel. I'm going to make a straight line out, make it nice and curvy and connect it back to the pants. And on this side, I'm just starting this side so I can see the line where I'm going to. And now, lastly, we can draw the soles. And I'll draw a sole right there. And on the other side, let's do the same thing. And then a last part, I forgot, we have to draw the eyebrows. And we're going to draw the eyebrows in here on top as well. Good, and there we go, and there's Mario. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.